Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple daily routine in English, washing my hands. This is perfect for beginners who want to learn daily English. Let's get started.
My hands are dirty. I want to wash them. I go to the basin. I turn on the tap. The tap runs. I take the soap from the soap dish. I wash my hands under the tap with the soap. I put the soap back in the soap dish. I wash my hands again. I turn off the tap. I take the towel on the rack. I clean my hands with the towel. Finally, I hang up the towel on the rack.
And that's how I wash my hands every day. Simple, right? Practice speaking along with me to improve your English. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more easy English lessons every day. See you next time.